Sleep. It's more than just closing your eyes. We spend about a third of our lives sleeping. It's no surprise that people want to optimize this time for maximum benefit. We buy expensive mattresses and special pillows, we try different sleep sounds and even track our sleep cycles. But have you ever considered the direction you sleep in? For centuries, cultures around the world have believed that sleep direction matters. Can aligning your body with the Earth's magnetic field really impact your well-being? Is there science to back up ancient practices? Let's explore the fascinating relationship between sleep direction, tradition, and science. By understanding these connections, you can make informed decisions about how to position yourself for the best possible sleep. For millennia, traditions like Vastu Shastra in India and Feng Shui in China have emphasized the importance of aligning your sleep with the cardinal directions. These systems are based on the belief that the Earth's magnetic field interacts with our own energy fields. Vastu Shastra recommends sleeping with your head towards the south. This alignment is believed to promote calmness, reduce stress, and enhance sleep quality. Feng Shui offers more personalized recommendations based on an individual's energy map. While these traditions offer compelling ideas, it's important to look at what modern science has to say about the impact of sleep direction. Modern science has yet to find conclusive evidence that sleeping in a specific direction directly improves health. Studies on the effects of the Earth's magnetic field on sleep have yielded mixed results. However, some research suggests that our bodies might be subtly influenced by magnetic fields. More research is needed to fully understand the potential impact of the Earth's magnetic field on our sleep. While science might not fully support ancient wisdom yet, many people find that aligning their sleep with traditional practices leads to a sense of well-being. This could be due to the placebo effect or other factors we don't fully understand. Choosing a sleep direction is a personal decision. If you're curious about the potential benefits, you could experiment with different directions to see what feels best for you. Pay attention to how you feel after sleeping in a particular direction. Do you feel more rested, less anxious? Keep a sleep journal to track your experiences. Ultimately, the most important thing is to create a sleep environment that is dark, quiet, and cool. This will have a much greater impact on your sleep quality than direction alone.